Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Accenture Primer's biggest update is here. Join the Accenture Primer Learning Orientation Connect. So we finally received the primer. What is primer? In the tomorrow's video, I will come up with one special video in which I will discuss about everything. What is the next process after offer letter of Accenture? But we received this update, so we have to discuss. I uploaded video 38 minutes ago. Lot of candidates missed this video. I think it's a great video, guys. You can see on my screen 25 batch, 24, 25, 26 batch, 26 batch. Multiple batches are eligible for opportunity. Opportunities are good, so must apply. Okay. First of all, mention in the comment section how many of you received this type of mail, because our family member received this type of mail. I received the congratulation mail one step closer to the Accenture family email on 24. However, I have not received any workday email yet. Today I only received the primer mail. Could you please let me know what is going on? Okay. So join the Accenture Primer Learning Orientation Connect Udacity Primer. Accenture Primer Learning Connect. Join the Accenture Primer Learning Connect Orientation App Dev Primer. What does it means by Udacity and what does it means by App Dev? Basically, it's are the different skills. According to that, your primer is scheduled. But what about this primer and what is this primer? So we have to understand this primer. Accenture primers are mandatory pre-onboarding or initial training modules for new joiners designed to teach foundation technology skills Java, Python, SQL, Cloud before project allocation. As we know that you cleared the interview, now you completed the BGV, okay? Now after that you receive the offer letter. Next is related to your primer training. Primer training is a mandatory training before your actual joining or before they will give you project. They typically involve 95 hours of learning followed by 30-minute 20 question human protocol online assessment on platform like Metal. It's a mandatory foundational assessment often called primer, conducted during initial training for new hires, typically 10 to 12 days, in evaluate their understanding of basic technology concepts in Java, Python, SQL. You have to require a 60 to 65% score to pass, often with multiple attempts available. What is the goal of this primer? To prepare freshers for specialized training stream App Dev Salesforce Security. So Udacity Primer and App Dev Primer is the different skill stream. And basically you are welcome to join the orientation session of Primer Learning Program. Your presence is essential. We appreciate your effort to be available. What is the agenda? Objective of Primer Learning? Primer Learning Platform Demonstration and Q&A, question and answer. Please join the call at least 5 minutes before the start time. 10th March is the call. So now you have queried that suppose you receive only of the congrats mail and you received this primer mail, so there is no problem. You have to join the orientation session. They will share all the updates with all of you, and don't worry, definitely they will share the BGV and workday mail with you, but it is the orientation session in which they will share the details. They have your data that you still completed BGV or workday or not. Then they will be move forwarded with the next update. So don't worry about that. Orientation session is important to understand what about the primers, what is the goal of this primer, what are the things that they will discuss in the particular objective and primer learning platform demonstration and Q&A. So we have to understand one thing, that what about the test pattern related to the primer, what are the skill stream that is present in the primer, like this. Okay. Next is related to assessment is modules include topics like Java, SQL, Python, AI, ML, SAP. A 60% passing scores is generally required, increasing to 65% for subsequent. Passing is crucial. Failing all 3 attempts can lead to termination of offer. Okay, but you have to prepare for the opportunity very well. Scoring above 75% in the first attempt may result in a bonus up to 10k. Focus on the quizzes provided on Udacity platform or pre-onboarding modules provided by Accenture. So focus on completing they mention, including hands-on exercise to prepare for the assessment. So basically we can understand one thing, that this is candidate number 1. Now before your joining, or we can say that before the final project allocation, or joining, whatever there is, your primer will be scheduled. In the primer they will give you skills based streams or skills based test. They are taken according to your performance in the test. They will move forward your application to the joining or project allocation, and if you score very good, there is incentive also. And in this primer, MCQs assessments are also there, and hands-on exercise are also there, that is related to coding and rest of the thing. I will try to gather more information about this primer, and soon I will come up with the special video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.